I've been hearing a lot about Google anti-gravity and I have absolutely no idea what it is. And you know, when I have absolutely no idea what it is, guess what? We're going to find out. We are going to find out. We're going to be using Gemini to tell us what exactly is Google anti-gravity and how can we use it to make us more efficient, to make us better in all the things that we do. And the reason that I use Gemini is because guess what? I'm pretty sure Google Anti-Gravity is powered by Gemini. So we can just ask, we can just go straight to the horse's mouth and say, okay, how can I use this tool to be better, to be more efficient, to be faster? And we follow that advice. So let's just jump into it. All right. So I'm going to say, I keep hearing from my tech friends about Google anti-gravity, but I have no idea what it is. Can you explain to me what anti-gravity is used for and how it can make me more efficient in all of the tech projects I am working on? All right, let's do that. Because I have no idea yet what it is, and we're going to break it down to see what exactly is anti-gravity and how is it going to benefit us. And when I tell you that my serious people, like my friend Prince Marky D, he's like, I'm using this Gemini anti-gravity. I'm like, what? I saw a headline about anti-gravity. What the hell is anti-gravity? Let's find out. So it says you are likely hearing about the new AI-powered development platform released by Google in late 2025, not the old failing search bar Easter egg you might see if you Google the term. In the tech world, Google Anti-Gravity is an agent-first integrated development environment, so an IDE. So it's an agent-first IDE. So it might be similar to Amazon's Kiro. Think of it as a code editor like VS Code, where you don't just type code, but manage agents, AI workers, to do the heavy lifting for you. Okay, I see where we're heading here. Here's a breakdown of what it is and how it can help you be more efficient in your projects. So it is a coding platform powered by Google Gemini 3 model. Unlike standard AI coding assistants that just autocomplete the lines, autocompletes the lines you are typing, and anti-gravity is designed to handle entire workflows. It introduces the concept of mission control for coding, how it increases efficiency. The tool is designed to shift your role from writing every line to architecting the solution. Autonomous agents, instead of writing a function yourself, you can assign a task to an AI agent. For example, refactor the user authentication module. The agent can plan the steps, edit multiple files, and run terminal code commands, and verify the fixes independently. Yeah, honestly, it sounds like a Cursor or a Windsurf, probably a Amazon Kiro. KiloCode is more of a plugin. They might eventually come out with their own IDE. But the thing is, if this is built on VS Code, then I'm probably just gonna stick to KiloCode, and I don't know. We'll find it because we're gonna let's download it. While we're reading, so I'm gonna go to download. Let's just go to Google Anti-Gravity, and let's go to download. Pricing is important too. What is the price? So let's say we do for silicone, and we do that. What is the pricing? Individual plan, $0 per month. Okay, well, that sounds pretty good. Agent model, access to Gemini 3 Pro and Flash, Cloud Sonnet, and Opus 4.5, Google OS 120B, unlimited tab completion, unlimited command request, recommended developer plan. I don't see a price. Leverage anti-gravity as your daily driver via your Google AI Pro or Ultra. Oh, okay, so more generous rate limits, refreshed every 5 hours. Interesting. So because I have a Google AI Pro account, so that means I could use their developer plan via Google One. Okay, I like that. Team plan, then there's different plans for that. So let's go to get plan. I already have the plan. Let me see. Let's not do Google AI Ultra. All right, so let's not do that. already have, all right, so it's downloaded. Let me see, go to anti-gravity. And I'm just gonna drag this up here so we can do it together. Oh, you can't see that. You won't be able to see. Let me go to the screen instead. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. So I'm gonna go over to this screen. And let's just drag it in there together. Then anti-gravity. Did not install. I'll try that again. Oh, there it goes. No. Let me drag it over again. Maybe I missed the first time. There we go. All right, let's keep reading though. In the meantime, while I am installing it, let's see. Oops. So we have anti-gravity installed. Before we go through the setup process, let's finish reading about it though. All right, let's finish reading about it first though. All right, so let's go back to Gemini. It says autonomous agents, we read that one. Visual debugging, one of its standout features is it can see your application. It uses a built-in browser to look at your web app, identify visual bugs like a button being off screen, and fix the CSS code automatically based on what it sees. Asynchronous work, you can have multiple agents working on different bugs or features at the same time in the background while you focus on the main architecture. Reduce context switching. The agent handles boring tasks like installing dependencies, setting up environments, and running tests, so you don't have to constantly switch between your editor and your terminal. The anti-gravity concept, the name implies weightlessness, removing the gravity or friction of manual coding tasks, syntax errors, boilerplate setup, dependency management, so you can move faster. Since this is a very new tool, it's still likely in preview or early release. While powerful, your friends may also be discussing its quirks or bugs, which are common in bleeding edge AI tools. All right, so I'm not gonna go through the video recommendation, but I'm gonna ask, how is anti-gravity different from Cursor, Windsurf, Amazon, Kiro, and KiloCode? Let's throw KiloCode in there while we're at it. KiloCode. Oh, and let's throw Copilot in there too. Copilot. Sell me on this, Gemini. Sell me on this. Sell me on your own product. Let's see. And while it's doing that, I'm gonna go over here. Let's set this up. Let's go to next. See, it's probably gonna be because the fact that it said import from VS Code, I have a feeling that it's gonna be built on top of VS Code, which I'm not a fan of VS Code. I'm gonna do let's go dark for now. And let's see, how do you want to use anti-gravity agent? Review-driven development, agent-driven development, or custom configuration secure mode. So review-driven development, terminal execution policy, request review, review policy, request review, JavaScript execution, request review. What is agent-driven development? Always proceed. I don't want to do always proceed. Custom configuration. Okay, I see what, basically review. Let's do it. That's probably the safest to start off with these new tools. Configure your editor, normal, because I don't use, let's see, extensions, recommended, command line, install. All right, so let's go to next. Sign in with Google, and it's gonna open up it's opening up in a browser. I'm just gonna do the sign in with my Google. Sign in, we're authenticated, and we are good to go. Let's do next. And I was right. It is basically just VS Code. It is basically just VS Code install. Like, that's the same thing that Amazon Kiro did, right? So probably some different features. Basically does the same as every other. Like, I'm pretty sure Cursor is built on top of VS Code. Windsurf is built on top of VS Code. They probably have some customizations for it, but I don't know. We can try it, but if it's built on VS Code, I really don't care. I'm like I said, I am a JetBrains fanatic. I love the way that their software integrates. So, that's just one of my shortcomings, right? This is the perfect question because we are currently witnessing a schism in how AI coding tools are built. In late 2025, the market split into two distinct philosophies: vibe coding, speed versus flow, versus agentic architecture planning / delegation. Google Anti-Gravity belongs to the second group. It is less about typing faster and more about managing a team of AI workers. Here is how it compares to the tools you mentioned, broken down by their philosophy. The architects, heavy lifters. These tools don't just write code; they plan, manage files, and execute multi-step tasks autonomously. Google Anti-Gravity, mission control, best for full stack and visual apps, visual debugging, browser control. I'm not going to read all the little stuff. What I will do is I will put this prompt session inside of techodrop.dev. If you want to read it, follow up, then you can go and download the resources there. But I'm not going to go through every little detail. Amazon Kiro, spec-driven development, enterprise and backend. This is the best for. And the spec check, I don't use Amazon Kiro much because I can do spec kit to do my spec-driven development, but I love the spec-driven development. Often called anti-vibe tool, it forces you to write a requirements file. You got to have your requirements, right? For the vibe coders, cursor, flow state, rapidly prototyping, tab to complete. All right, gotcha. Windsurf, deep context, existing code bases, cascade, flow, gotcha. The classic and the rebel, Copilot, the original role. It is primarily an autocomplete tool. While it has agent features, Copilot workspace in your editor, it's mostly a super smart spell check. Whoa, talk about a shot. My God, gee whiz. That was harsh.
Flawless victory.
There's difference. So it's primarily autocomplete. All right, so it is less intrusive than anti-gravity. It waits for you to type. Anti-gravity and Kiro and cursor drives the process. Fair enough. KiloCode, the open source rebel. The open source rebel.
Hey, a wise guy, eh?
This is a fork of VS Code based on tools like RuCode and Klein that is model agnostic. Difference, unlike Google uses Gemini or Amazon uses NovaQ, Kilo lets you bring your own key, BYOK. Some people like to bring their own beer. I personally like to bring my own key. I'm just saying, right? You can plug in Gemini, GPT-4, or Cloud seamlessly. It is the hacker's choice for those who don't want to be locked in to one ecosystem. All right, which one makes you more efficient? Use Google Anti-Gravity if you are building a web app and hate dealing with CSS UI bugs, or if you want to assign tasks. Use Amazon Kiro if you find yourself getting lost in messy code and need a tool that forces you. I'm not going to use Cursor or Windsurf. I'm going to skip over that one. So honestly, I personally think with KiloCode, I get the best of both worlds. I don't have to use VS Code or a VS Code spinoff because I am using JetBrains, but it was absolutely awesome to see what anti-gravity is and what it can do. And we will give it a test drive probably on a live stream at some point. We shall see. All right. But that is it. Let me know if you found this prompting helpful. We installed anti-gravity. So if you want to give it a try, by all means, go ahead and install it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Let me know. All right, so if you've used the tools that we researched in this video, right? Kiro, Anti-Gravity, Kilo, Windsurf, Cursor, Copilot. Let me know your thoughts. Which one do you prefer? Which one makes you more efficient, more productive, and gets you to your desired goals? That is my question for you. Drop me a comment. Let me know. Go over to techodrop.dev to get the prompt that I used, so that I'm telling you, you guys have to prompt every single day so that you can get better at it. If you don't use your prompting skills, you will not develop them at all. All right. But that is it. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Techodrop, we are out.
They see the wins, but they don't see the work. They don't see the pioneer digging in the dirt, digging to the core. This that 305 hustle, baby. Let's ride. They call me pioneer, I'm digging to the core. You just want to shine, I'm the one who found the ore. I'm a one-man wrecking crew, I hold the tune. Knocking down these milestones one by noon. I'm an ultimate team player, but I lead the tech. Put the whole damn city, put the team up on my back. Yeah, I run the new stack, building on the mainframe. This that tech coach hustle, building up the brain. I don't back down, I just double up the work. When they shut the door, I find another quirk. In the system, in the market, man, I'm always on. One man army from the dusk, come to the dawn. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One man army, but I move like a boss. Never backing down, I just pay the call. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One man army, but I move like a boss. Yeah, I run this game, I just pay the call. This ain't a rap talk, this is my real life. Built a new foundation, cutting through the strife. Got the new tech running, stacking up the data. Got the AI working heavy, I'm the new creator. I'm a boss to my team, the new recruits. Show them how to win, how to get the loot. From the live stream to the brand new platform. I'm the one they call when they in a damn storm. I'm a pioneer, man, in that digital stack. Got the new school models running in the back. I don't just chase the goals, man, I hunt them down. This a one-man conquest, hand me the crown. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One man army, but I move like a boss. Never backing down, I just pay the cost. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One man army, but I move like a boss. Yeah, I run this game, I just pay the cost. It's deeper than the money, this is for the bloodline. Gotta make them see a hustler who's gonna always shine. Make sure that the legacy is set in stone. Show them how to build a whole damn world all on their own. This that on the map mindset, on the track. Like a grandmaster planning the attack. I'm the ultimate team player cause I build a whole team. I'm the one man army that supply the whole dream. From the new speech to the coaching plan. I'm putting my whole soul into the master plan. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One man army but I move like a boss. Never backing down, I just pay the cost. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One man army, but I move like a boss. Yeah, I run this game, I just pay the cost. One man dynasty, with the whole team meeting. It's that pioneer flow. Maximize everything.